Good evening everyone. I, Harpreet, student of BCA, have got this opportunity to present my views on a prominent administrator who has made major contributions in the area of health and education, and to whom I applaud to kill two birds with one stone. That is how effectively she holds power and position. Here is the administrator, Miss Samita Savarwal. She was born and brought up at Darjeeling in the foothills of Himalayas. She did her schooling from Telangana itself, and further graduation had been done from Hyderabad. And in 2000, she appeared for the UPSC Civil Services and she secured AIR 4 in her first attempt. She was the youngest female IS officer in India as she became bureaucrat at very early stage in his career. As she belongs to Telangana, so she got her home state cadre for her further trip in the administration. She is popularly known as the People's Officer for addressing citizens' issue by involving public in their grievances. The best trait of one leader reflects when there is an involvement of people finally in the decision making, freely in the grievances, which satisfies his work. Due to such kind of reflecting qualities, she was able to hit another milestone. She is the first lady IS officer to be appointed to the Chief Minister's office, currently working to the Secretariat to CM of Telangana government, Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and holds additional charges of rural water supply and sanitation departments and run the special mission called Bhagirath. And Bhagirath mission was started in 2016 by the government of Telangana under the supervision of the Smita Savarwal. She was the lady who handled this project alone. The purpose of this initiative is to reduce the burden of the disease caused by drinking contaminated water and improving the living standards of the people. In broader sense, if we consider, this project holds the health, education and economic well-being of the people. Moving further, he was deployed in various departments and started various initiatives such as Fund Your City scheme, under which he created the public-private partnership mobilities. Another magnificent initiative is to improve the health sector institutional deliveries in the public sector known as Amma La Mala. It became the role model for many health initiatives of high-risk pregnancy management, targeting IMR and MMR in the National Rural Health Mission of Government of India. This initiative was remarked at the level of the central government. This initiative was nominated as one of the best initiatives for PM's Award for Excellence in Public Administration. The best trait of this administrator is who holds his authorities with responsibilities and submission of well-being of people. The greatest of her qualities that I personally appreciate is the way she leads the public crowd, how calmly she addresses the grievances, how peacefully she demarcates the line between the bureaucracy and the politics. As an ideal civil servant, she holds excellence in the area of public administration, and she got nominated for various rewards such as Indian Express Daily Award 2015, India Government Digital Initiatives, and the best award she was nominated for is Amla Mala program, which was highlighted by the Government of India itself. As I found her to be the lady who has a brain with a beauty. Thank you everyone for having me.